Good morning, y'all. It's a rainy day this morning, and cooked my grandkids some breakfast, and their mom, she took them to school, so now I'm cooking some breakfast for me and my daughters. I just felt like cooking this morning, so I got on up. I mean, it might be something about the rain. I'm about to fix me some breakfast. I doubt I go anywhere because it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days, and I'm just gonna chill, y'all. I'm about burning up the toast, y'all. Don't pay me no mind. I'm gonna use one hand, so I gotta do it this way. Put just a little bit of butter down in there. Piece of bread. And let it cook this way. Look at that, about done burnt the bread. I got the the toast right here, some sausage, these some peppers and onions that I'm gonna put in my scrambled egg because I want peppers and onions in mine. And I'm about to make me some coffee. They can make them a sandwich, and I'm gonna eat me some eggs and eggs and sausage. Y'all, it's raining pretty heavy. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I know y'all can see it from right here. It's coming down pretty good. I need to sit these out. I think I'm gonna sit these out. Let them get some rain. Ooh, I be scared to stick my hand in this column, y'all. But I'm gonna pull them out. They already got water. Somebody been watering them. Sit it out there and let it get some rain. Check this other one too. I'm scared to stick my hand and stuff, y'all. We live in the South. I'm gonna leave it because somebody been watering them. You know what? The water getting in through that. So I'm gonna have to take this out and empty it. Got these big old columns on the porch. I'm gonna have to take this out and empty it. So it is getting water, but I'm gonna leave it right there for it to get a little bit of water. It's coming down good. So y'all, I decided to be a backseat driver today. I'm on the I guess you could say a day date with my daughters. So they're one driving, the other one sitting in the passenger seat, and I decided to put myself in the back seat because I'm just chillaxing today. I'm gonna let them do the driving, but it's raining. It's a real rainy day today. They wore this shirt. Y'all brought the shirt, and it's so, but it's raining. It's a rainy day today. So we head to a couple stores, and I'll bring y'all along. Y'all, we made it to Ross. We're going to Ross first. She wanted to look around in there and see what they got in there. So we're going to head in here into Ross and see what they got in here today. I should have a jacket on. It's raining. It's cold. But I don't have one on. So let's go in here. I might can find a little bit more decoration. I still wasn't going to buy any more, but I might pick up a couple more decorations. All right, let's go. So cute. This is $17.99. It comes with the hat and look like a scarf. Got guest purses. Oh, these are $19.99, and this look like the robes. One size fits most. So they got some deals. I even like this black one with the little diamonds on it. I got a gray Tommy Hilfiger. would be me. Gray Tommy Hilfiger one. Do anybody still wear Eddie Bauer? Got an Eddie Bauer. Let's see this Michael Kors one. Oh, y'all. I'm about to lose it. I'm dropping stuff. I can't show y'all because everything falling, y'all. They got to lean up on everything. We got this one with the Tommy Hilfiger purse and the wallet. It's cute. I wonder how much this one is. Let me see. So that one is $29.99. See what this one is. Oh, this Guess. PJs. The Snoopy PJ. No. Bluey. Bluey must be a thing. Because I got the dark bluey pajamas. The what age? I got the caramel popcorn and nuts. That's $10. That's cute. Let me see. She said that's $10. They got the cookies. These are some cute stocking stuffers. The keychain. Like the nail clipper set. This is cute. 9 Wish. Oh, y'all look. Is this for the men? Oh, the men in it when you get the pajama pants. And you get the little hat that come with it. Oh, this is cute. And then they got this kind with the deer. What is this? Sweatsuits. Ooh. The Mary sweatsuits. This what they say. Bells. Jingle bells. Gift wrap. Hot cocoa. Christmas lights. Mistletoe. And gingerbread. And I got this one with the bows. Let's see what this one say. Oh, that's just the regular pink one. Oh, this one comes with a sweater, y'all. You got the gingerbread man. You got the gingerbread man pants. And then the snowflake one. So you have to get your own white shirt. My granddaughter, she loved baby dolls. Now my grandson, he loved toy guns. Oh, they got the 3-wheel tilt scooter. This is cute. And that is $11.99. Got the heart. Another Tommy Hilfiger purse set. These are cute, y'all. I think they Guess. Yeah, they're Guess shoes, but they cute. These look comfy. These sure look comfy. I don't know what size these are. They're $36. What size? Those are size 7. But I like them. I need a 7.5 or an 8. Those cute too. As y'all can tell, I like a lot of brown. Got a lot of different gift sets here. So you really can come to Ross and get the little gift set. I like those. Let's see if I can find them. I don't know ribbons. Got some more Christmas decorations. Pretty wrapping paper. Oh, what are these? Okay. Stick inside your tree. Go over here and see what they got. Oh, look at all these little gift cups. Snoopy, what is it? Oh, now you know I'm finna come over here and look at that. Now this is a good gift set right here. They got the Bud Light gift can full of popcorn for the men or whoever drink alcohol. Snoopy. Oh, these are cute. The Grinch. Hold on, I'm coming back. They got the Grinch cups with the marshmallows. How much is this? 13. I might get this to do this with my grandkids. Cause I got me a cup. Oh my goodness, hold this. How much is that? $149. Oh my. This is what Christmas is really about, y'all. It's $149.
There's a smaller one. I think this one like $10 something.
How much?
I think it's 10. You gotta be careful. You gotta look at the bottom.
What's the price of that? I love that. I got to. Let me hit it again. Hit it again. Yeah, I gotta get that. Here's another one. I wonder how much this one is. Ooh, it's heavy. It just lights up. Oh, that's pretty. 64 for the church. Now, what is this? These different types of teas or something? Oh, it's a tea collection. And this is $8.99. I think I'm gonna get this for your yeah, I think she'll like that. These are little hot cocoa on the go. Oh, this is cute. And this is $12.99. Should I get this one? I don't know. Wait a minute. What is this? 16 flavors. These are tea bags. 16 flavors. $8.99. I was thinking about doing this. Grinch movie night popcorn. And it's got the Grinch can. And this is how much? $9.99. Okay. So it's got. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Oh, that is pretty. That's a pretty serving tray. That's nice. How much is that?
Is that $39.99?
A table. This beanbag toss. We already got that. Girl, my little hands ashy. What a cute dish. We had a good thing. It's another service. I'm ready. Let's go. Oh, this is cute. There's two. That one 14. What? Oh, that is. How much is that? What's that? I like that. This one got the chain. She might like that one better. Oh, it does. I get the pink. The other one got a chain. If anything, honey, this what I'm gonna get her. Yep, because I'm tired of her being in my heels.
What about
It say 3+.
you get her this one because she like those little what's it called? Matter of fact, this headphone.
This one got the little diamond clips she can put on it. Oh, you think I should get the blue ones up there? Oh, she can fit these. Put them in there. Don't they gotta wear a hat? The next, what day it is? Monday, Tuesday? Well, none of them days. That's a cute little bows. Ooh, I hate to get out in this rain. Oh, my shirt already wet. Oh my God. Here we go. Let's go. My children, oh shoot. My children, they done left me. And I'm out here and it's wet. And there's so many people. Y'all see all the cars right there. It's packed Christmas time. Everybody out here shopping. And I'm out here trying to hurry up and get out the rain. Hit me. Hit me now. I'm gonna be rich. Let's go in here. We're going in TJ Maxx now. They got gifts as soon as you come in. Just a couture. Got $20 gifts right here. Let's see, gifts must have. What is this? The lip guide, the ultimate lip guide. It's $19.99. Y'all, I love Christmas, but this year I'm just not into buying all these gifts and stuff like I normally do. Now my kids, I usually just give them some money, and my grandkids and my parents and everybody else, you know, we get them gifts to either buy them stuff. Look at the bear paw hat sets, and these are $29.99. They got the pink, the black and white. They got the cream color. That's another pink right there. Oh, they got the Versace, Calvin Klein. The Versace is, I don't see no price on it. They don't have a price on that one. Got a Calvin Klein, Dolce & Gabbana. They say $59 for it. We got the Grinch set. For $149. Got some more Michael Kors stuff. The gloves. Steve Madden. Oh, now this is cute. This is $34.99. And they got another one over here like blue. probably the same price. Yeah, $34.99. Got the cream color and the pink. That one got cherries on it. It's Calvin Klein back there. The curling gift sets. Let me see if I can find my kids. Oh, these are cute. Y'all, your purse don't always have to be name brand. If you find a cute purse and it's cute and it's something you like, get it. Don't let nobody tell you got to have something name brand. You just get something that you like. I like those. Got the bow clips. This is what caught my eye back here, the Christmas bowls. Got the little pendants. It was one I seen. Oh, it must have been those up there, but I thought it was another one that I seen. I like this one. $7.99. I'm trying to refrain from spending money just to spend. What is this? Gingerbread. Oh, they got the earbuds for the kids, the gingerbread. I remember I had brought some cute glasses from here, the reading glasses. Y'all, I didn't read the thing on the back. Like, that one got 3.0, this one got 2.0. I think I got a 2.0. When I put them things on, I could not read. I couldn't see it all. This one is 2.5. But you can't take them off to even see. So you wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even know which ones to get. I see a 1.5. I don't know. There's another 1.5. I might try these out. Because these are cute. Those are cute. So they got some. Their pajama sets are $29.99. They got the Santa boots. They got Winnie the Pooh and the Look Game. That's a sweater though. The ugly sweater with the Santa Claus. I don't see too many pajamas. We're getting ready to go because they said they didn't see anything in here, so I just really got in here. And it's too crowded everywhere you go, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with them. I'm in there calling their name looking for them, and they done left me. So I'm finna head on out here in this rain, y'all. It is pouring down. Y'all see my shirt? It's raining. The rain is real heavy. Let's go. At least I am walking on the walkway. I'm just getting wet. Just getting wet. But yeah, we left out of TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx ain't really had nothing. They had some stuff, but we didn't get none of that. They didn't see anything. So I'm the backseat rider today. And they doing the shopping. I'm getting a little bit, but not that much. I'm just trying to not overdo it this year. Where we headed to now? I don't know. Oh, no, they ain't coming. Go ahead. Y'all, they say I can't see, so they be picking at me and everything. So I say, since I can't see, y'all drive. And I sit in the back seat.
See, lately I've been thinking about all my friends, but they all say they don't know. It's all bad, y'all. And they teasing me, but there's 20. They have the nerve to want these niggas. I'm sick of killers. How I feel, I admit it.
Here we go again, y'all. Another store. I think we're about to go on Marshall's. They done left me again. So, getting to head into Marshall's. I've never been to Top Shelf. I want to go in there and go look in there and see what they got in there because I've never been in one before. So I might pop my head in there and see what they carry in there. Let's go ahead to Marshall's. Then we got to hurry up and go back and get, well, she got to hurry up. She got to go back and go get the grandkids.
Holiday Hustle. I want a good game for the kids and me to play. They got the Grinch Clue game. They got bingo. They got the beer pong. I don't know. But I want like a little game, a good game that we could play. And I wanted to go look at Home Goods too. But we're probably not gonna have time to go to Home Goods. What is this? I just seen this at TJ Maxx. Greeting cards. We love playing bingo. I had a bigger game and it messed up, so I need another one now. But not today. I don't know why all of a sudden I'm into the headbands and the Christmas headbands. Y'all, because Christmas is only in a couple of days. But you actually can wear this for the rest of the year because, you know, winter's coming in and this deep burgundy. And this green one right here you can wear. That one right there, you can even wear that one all, you know, the rest of the year. I think I'm going to get me... I don't know why this green is calling me. Which one you like? This is nice, y'all. It's plastic, but you can put like your little makeup or different things in there. It's got different compartments. It says this drawer. Yep, the drawers. So it's like a tabletop little mirror vanity. Put it back. I didn't get it because they was through. They said they didn't see anything. So instead of waiting in line, I just put them back and I just tried somewhere else. Let's see what else I can find. Because the only thing I picked up was the nail polish finale and that lip gloss set, but I'm not going to get it.